This is a Permobil F3 power chair. This power chair has 84 miles, so it was used for about 3-4 months at the most. It is fully loaded. It even has the light kit on this power chair with the flashing lights and the headlights, the Permobil light. It's all equipped with the light package. 84 miles. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric legs. All the functions of this power chair can be worked through the joystick or through the switch box. I like to use the switch box because it's quicker for me. So this is the 12-inch seat lift going up. So you'll start about 22 inches. You'll be at 34 inches when you're fully raised. The nice thing about this is when you're fully raised up to the top with these power chairs these days, you can still drive the chair at a pretty decent speed. So this is, and you can see the chair still moves pretty good with the seat elevated. It does move at a reduced speed, but you can go in the kitchen and do what you need to do with the power chair. While we have the seat elevated, we can see the armature for the seat lift, how well built that is. You can see the 14-inch solid wheels here, the tip wheels in front, the 8-inch caster wheels in the back. You can see the suspension for the front and the back. As a matter of fact, if I shake the chair, you can see the suspension at work. Okay, you have the same suspension on both sides. You have 4 of these shocks. This is why these chairs have such a great ride right now. You have an anchor point here and an anchor point inside the frame to tie your chair to your lift or to your van. You have 2 on each side, so you have 4 anchor points. You have a motor for each wheel. The starts of the motor goes all the way to here. And this is the lever to put the chair in neutral. So right now, this chair weighs 400 pounds. It's not going anywhere because it's in gear. But if you turn the power off, and make sure the seat is down with the power off and the seat down, push the lever down, you can hear it just unlock, and your wheel is in neutral. Do both sides because you have a motor for each wheel, and that puts it in neutral and you can roll your chair around. But make sure you put it back in gear when you're done. We get so many calls of people complain about their chairs not working because they still have the levers down. Levers back up. Turn your power back on over here, and then you have your power back on. So that's your 12-inch seat lift. You also have with this chair what's called a swing-away joystick. You can swing the joystick away from the front. Right now it's set up on the right-hand side, but if you we can transfer all this to the left side if you're left-handed. You've also got an arm bag on each side of this chair, so you do have an arm bag for each side. Okay. The next function I want to show is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is the bottom right here going back. So if the chair's tilting, your legs are going to go and your back are going to go with the bottom because they're all connected. That's called the electric tilt. This is as far as it'll go. The next one I want to show is called the electric legs. These legs will go up and they're adjustable. So if you're 5 feet tall, or if you're 6 foot tall, maybe not 7, but 6 foot tall, we can adjust them quite a bit. Of course, if you're in the chair, this will not come down. So this is a little extreme right there, having this kind of circulation, if that's what you're looking for. You can still be halfway tilted with your legs up, of course, right about here, and you're still going to have good circulation. I'm going to bring the seat all the way back down. And the last function that this chair has is called the electric recline. The electric recline is the back going back by itself. You can see the back, and I'm holding the button right, that's why it's going back. The back is going back by itself. That's called the electric recline. A lot of people confuse this with a tilt. So right here's your recline. This is what it would look like if you were fully reclined. This is as far as it'll go. Let me see if it goes any further. No, that's it. So that's your electric recline right there. I'm going to bring the legs back down. I'm hitting 2 buttons at once here. So if you want to do it, the legs and the back, or 2 functions at once, just go through the joystick and you can do 2 functions at once. Alright, so far we've done the 12-inch seat lift, the tilt, the recline, and the electric legs. This is a front-wheel drive power chair, so if you got a 200-pound user and a 400-pound chair, that's 600 pounds of weight It's going to be transferred right over here, so it's really good for outside because you have all your traction is right here. So you can use it inside and outside. This is your turning radius, so if you're going to turn the circle inside your home, this is what you would be looking like. Now this chair does have the lighting package, so if I turn the lights on over here, I will turn my lights off over here. You can see these are really good lights. These are the Permobil lights, directly from Permobil. Some of the best lights on the market. So you can see your front lights. And you can see your back light. And I think you've even got flashers. Flashers there, flashers on this side. And you've got hazards also. No, those are the lights. The hazards are going to be maybe here. There we go. So it's got the full light package. The seat on this chair is, I'm going to turn the lights off, not to blind you guys off. The seat on this chair is a pretty wide seat. It's 21 by 20. 21 wide by 20. It's a really nice contoured seat with some air. So it's a foam here, and this is an air bubble back in here that you can pump air in here. There's a valve right here. I don't know if you can see it from there. There's a valve right there. You would pump air, and you can adjust the firmness where your rear will be sitting right there. Okay? So if this is the chair you want, but the seat's too big or too small, we can adjust these seats. We can extend the arm. We can change the back. We can do all the modification over here. Just let us know. Another thing about this chair that this chair's got, it also has a USB port right here. So you can plug your phone charger right here. USB port right here. Another thing this chair has is what's called a retractable strap. So what that means is there's your safety belt that goes here, but just like your car, it's a retractable belt. Okay? The back of the chair, like all chairs, if you've been watching my videos, you've got a fully adjustable headrest, and your toolkit is right here. This is your toolkit. If you need to adjust your headrest or anything on your arms, you're going to use that toolkit right here. Also with this chair, there's a power button right here, and all chairs, when we ship them, we turn the power up right there. I just turned it off. Power's back on. These are only reflectors, but this is where your power button, this is where you need to come when you receive your chair to turn the power on when you receive your chair. These cylinders here, if I turn this one, it'll adjust that arm. If I turn this one, it'll adjust this arm over here. You can see the arm moving already over there. So these are only to adjust the tilt. It's not to adjust the height, just the tilt. I'm going to turn the power back on because when you turn the power off over here, even though I turned it back on, you still got to turn the power back on over here. When you charge the batteries in this chair, you will take your Permobil charger, you'll plug it below your joystick right here, and as soon as it goes to full, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. They don't charge when the batteries are full. They stop charging. So let's recap. This is a Permobil F3 with 84 miles, fully loaded, 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, swing away joystick, 2 arm bags, USB port, flip up arms. We've got, of course, like we just covered, the light kit. We've got an adjustable headrest. You've got 4 anchor point, great suspension, 84 miles, beautiful power chair. This is the best they make, the Permobils, and it's ready to go. So this is the Permobil F3 fully loaded. Beautiful suspension. Went through the grass with no problem. Very easy to drive. Anybody can drive these chairs. Fully loaded, ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.